I had to start streaming. Now it should be good. Sorry, guys. All right. Damn, bro, I wanted to long this, but I was taking a shit and I was making my iced coffee. So, Rohel, what are you doing? Are you longing? Like Rohel's like my crystal ball. If he's longing, then I'm shorting. Then I'm shorting. Where's A? Where's where's Wajid? Blues. Oh, I was like, what the fuck is Blue Steel? Blue Steel. I love it. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday, like we were on stream. Well, I wasn't on stream, but I was going to that graduation, but I was still I was trading, I was driving, I was talking to these guys, bro. This guy Rohel, bro, just I don't know. He's just randomly calling out levels, and it's literally to the T hitting, like gapping up, coming down, 100 points. I don't know what the hell he was doing. I think he was like rubbing his nipple while he's like, guessing these levels. I think so, bro. Yo, hey guys, this is streaming, guys. So we gotta we gotta keep it very you can't be yourselves, okay? Are you doing calls or puts? Are you doing calls or puts? Yeah. Wait for just a little bit. What time is it right now? Yeah. Wait till 9. Data fade. Rohel, did you take the payout? Did you request the payout? You better no request the payout, bro. All right. I just want to make sure, I'm trying to hold you accountable. Waterboy? I forgot. I forgot. Refresh now. Yo, apparently Top Step's been getting, bro. I've been reading a lot on Reddit that Top Step's been getting a lot of issues. Just like there's just like their platform, like the Project X they're using to trade. It's just has a lot of traders pissed off because they're going down a lot. So, I mean, Top Steps are reputable. I think it's probably one of the best reputable ones. Okay, so this is my analysis for the day. Let's see. Okay. So this is where we are. All right, guys. Um, popped, popped. It popped. Yeah, yeah. Good thing. Did you call? Did you put the call alert on there? Yeah. I know. Yeah. It. Damn. That's a lot. Mm-hmm. Here's the deal. For Nasdaq, there is an order block right here. There's some resistance. Some a lot of selling over here at 635 because if I remember, yeah. So I mean, if I want to see how price gets there, I want to see how price reacts on that level, and then maybe come back down for demand, which we made today, which so essentially you can I mean maybe it can come like this where you know, and then whatever it come to this demand and then make his leg up higher. That's one scenario. Second one is it comes lower, like to this level, and then goes. And here's another very possible scenario where it just breaks structure and then it gaps down, creating inversion, right? Where it retests that inversion, and then we have all this trendline liquidity built up here, and then we have a volume gap from yesterday, which is at 2,500, 25,100. So that's that's another possibility. That's a very, like, yeah, It's a very big possibility, essentially. Just because we're up on the lower time frame doesn't mean it cannot retrace back on a higher time frame, right? So we have to keep that in mind because like on the 1 hour time frame, yes, we broke structure upwards. Now we are technically bullish. We are technically bullish, but but sometimes price does come back for something like this. Okay, we are in supply. Price does come back for something like this, where there's supply here, an order block that it missed. Tap into it. Take all this liquidity and then come down. So it depends. So just keep that in mind. So that's kind of my analysis. This right now is my area of interest. I want to see how price reacts here. Do we keep breaking structure upwards, or do we manipulate over here, create a range, and then start coming down? So tricky day. I haven't taken any trades. Yeah, it's definitely extended, and you have like all this volume. I mean, trying to let liquid, but there's, I mean, see, buyers are just buying this thing up. Like, sellers can't even get in. Any like for every Santa rally. Yeah. Ro's been trying to call this Santa rally. He's been waiting, bro. I remember, like for like 3 weeks, he's like, bro, wait, Santa rally's coming. Wait. Ro's a Yo, I gotta take this guy off for stream. I'm gonna lose people on my Discord. He's like, we're gonna lose people on the Discord. Bro, institution. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I need institutions because that's how I trade. That's literally like, see, like this order block right here. This order block, this zone is an institutional like supply zone. I'm part of them. I'm not part of you guys. Yeah, right. I wish, bro. They're killing us. They're eating us every day. Institutions. Nice. Yeah, you guys are all scalper. You guys are gonna get along. I agree. Aren't we? Technically, we're all scalpers. If you think about it, it's just different time frames. Yeah, yeah. So like intraday, if like I'm trading every day intraday, so like even if my trade is like, I take a trade and it stays on for 20 minutes, whatever. That's on a grand scheme of things, that's still scalping. I think it's not like, yeah. We're not swing trading. I think we're all just intraday trading. Rohil is swinging it and scalping it. I already know. He's swinging it while he's scalping it. So that's Yes, at the Discord. I think Rohel does the he does what do you do? Yes, Rohel does options. Rohel does options. Yeah, so Imal, we missed you at pickleball yesterday, bro. It was kind of windy, but you know, mm, I'm hesitant because of this guy right here. I mean, for scalping, you can. Like for me, like this from here to here, it just doesn't make sense. So it's just have to see. And then you have this. Um, there's a bunch of demand is the buy, but yeah, I mean this is bullish, right? So damn, it tapped into that order buy. Dude, it was fun. It was me, Mo, on one team, and then Morshed and Abdel. Obviously, Morshed's pissed, and then oh man, no, he switched up. He was not having it. He was being aggressive. He was charging Michael. Michael was the ref, and he was trying to beat up the ref, bro. Like, yeah, that man is something. Then we finally switched up. It was Michael and Yezin. It was Michael and Yezin. Yeah. It was windy though, bro. Cause like one side, cause like yeah, it was the way his courts are. Like the winds go north and south, right? So we had to switch every 5 points. I mean, relative. It wasn't like there was like 2 3 courts open, so it was nothing crazy. Where's Waji, man? He's uh he's on ha- he's on he's on he's on house arrest right now. Looking for him. Where is? Let me see this. Did go ahead? Yeah, yeah, I think if that's bro, your call. Call today. You're done. Yeah. Hey, Rohel, can you post a testimonial fool, on the Discord from your dub yesterday? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, she just posted it. Yeah, I see it. Oh, did she take the one from yesterday? So what do you look at? I know like I need to learn options, but what do you are you looking at like levels or are you looking at like news? What do you like? Okay, okay, makes sense. Yeah, so QQQ moves exactly like Nasdaq. I'm guessing it's like the same thing. That works out. Yeah, I need to learn the decay and all that stuff. But you're like doing like you're in and out though, so it doesn't those don't affect you, right? Or what? So it doesn't matter, right? So it doesn't you can't take that in consideration. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. There's a look here. Low key, I can see it pushing up a little bit more. But yeah, I feel like it's just ranging now. Now we're in this. It always like when you have like moves like this straight from the open. I mean, dude, we moved almost 250 points within like 30 minutes of the open, right? So it kind of set the bar, um, which is fine. No, no, like this is minute range. I mean, even if we range for this amount, like this leg right here, um, it's a pretty big leg, so you can chop up this range nicely. You can always like short the premiums and like buy the discounts. You know, so you can always do that. That's always in place. So I mean, right now you can technically you can short it to the bottom of the range, but that's just or the 50% of the range. A lot of people will wait for like, hey, you know what? This leg went up, came back 50% retracement, make second push up. So that's another viable option too. I like if I want to long this, if I want to buy this, I would like for it to come down here and kind of give me a confirmation on the market structure shift. Then I'll target this high. Yeah, then I'll target this high. That just makes more sense for me to do. Um, I mean, but now you can be a little risky. You could be like, I'm gonna short this. I'm gonna short this, and I want it to come down here. So like before you launch, like so you're like like you could kind of play into your momentum. Does that make sense? So, but that will be counter trading if you are shorting this. But you can. But you can. Are we looking on the 5 minute? Sometimes you have like you have one accumulation like manipulation, and instead of distribution, you just expansion. Let's see what happens. Okay, see, it's coming down. Could have been shorting it to that level. Like you can short it to this level, like which is like 25,464. I mean, it's risky, but you can try it. Put a stop loss here. Yeah, a stop loss here, but there's a lot of buying pressure here down. Like that would be buying at the bottom of this range, essentially. Like risky, risky. This is yeah. Yeah. I mean, right now, just patience is key. If you see something banger, like, do you have like a plan? Like, what are you thinking? Like, if you have some banger plan, like, shit. Yeah, yeah. So it's like a short term, like, that's how there is. There definitely is. I do like the longs. I like. I mean, you think I mean, oh shit, we hit exactly 25,600, 25,600. We did. So 650s. Maybe we hit 650s today. I don't know. That's on Nasdaq. So I don't know. Maybe we do hit 650 today. There's buyers here, right? Yeah. So 530. Hmm. Could it could noon would be, but that's like lunch hour. I mean, why? I think because you usually get a 9:30 reversal and then you get your 11 a.m. Like liquidity purge, right? So we have the 9:15. Yeah, so like I mean, right now it's ranging, right? Huh. This is my next level right here. Let's see. I mean, yeah, he's probably doing something. Bro. I mean, it just my risk would be like, what's my boy right here? He trades like me. My risk, bro, it would be like invalidation zone. Really, it's like if price coming down, like so, like yeah, it would be more like the sizing of it. Like if I'm like, let's say if I'm shorting this, right, whatever, right. Let's say I'm shorting this to this. Like I'll just size into like, okay, if this is my stop loss, how much can I? If this is my TP, like how much can I lose here? Okay, I lose $600. Then I'll be like, okay, that's too much. Let's Okay, I'm okay with losing 250 on this trade to make 300. Whatever, like it just depends. So I look at the invalidation first, then I look at the so the, the dollar amount. So I don't really look at points. Like, oh, I need 10 points or 15 points. But for scalping, I guess it's different. It's like you need it. What's up? I think Ibad's in here. Is Ibad in here? He was in here. He just left. Oh yeah, he's in here. Yo, Ibad, are you trading this? Oh, you probably can't hear me. I don't know. Yo, Ibad, Assalamualaikum, man. What's up? Oh, you're in gold buys? Let me see what's going on in gold, man. I haven't even opened golds yet. Let me see. Okay. Oh, by the way, Rohel, this Ibad, it's one of my is younger brother. He's pretty much like fam, bro. Ibad, there's a lot of like there's a gap here. Yeah, you're trying to fill the gap, right? On this or what? For real? Honestly, it could. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that liquidity curve. You know, bro. Look at this. Yeah, that shit. It like wants to get taken. 4380, like right here. Yeah, there's. Yeah, yeah. I think it try to push. Yeah, all time highs. Wow, you it's insane. So you bought trades like me. He kind of follows the same concepts. We kind of so because I taught his brother, and he learned from his brother too. So he's been good. He's been trading, getting payouts and stuff. So let me see. See, okay, so on NQ we're ranging. It's a tight range. Where's Wadget? Oh, nice. Are you taking a long, short? What are you doing? Let us know. Yeah. Are you with Blue Bonnet or whatever? Blue Knox? What is it? Mm. I can't believe you traded yesterday after we stopped. I know it's one of those days. I do. That's bro. That's when I blow my account. I was telling Rohel, I was like, we gonna blow, Rohel ready to blow the accounts today. Yeah, it's almost addicting. It's almost addicting. It just makes sense, right? It's like, bro, like, okay, I'm risking 150 bucks to make potentially $1,000 from that. Like, you can't. Honestly, the only thing between a payout and you is your risk management and your discipline. That's all. That is between you and your payout. That's all it is. Yeah, right now we're just consolidating. Man, I really wanted to, bro, Ibad. I wanted to long this here, bro. We had that breaker structure right here, and I wanted to long this, bro. Oh, bro, I was sitting on the toilet, man. I woke up late. I was saying the shit. Hmm. Okay. Too far. On the 4 hour on NQ, I November 24th, December. Wait, Oh, you're talking about, yeah. I have. See, look at my. If you can see my screen, I have that marked out right here. Yeah. So that's what see. That's what I'm expecting right now. To be honest, I'm expecting that. But like, that's a long way from. Like, could be a week from now. You know. So just, I mean, could happen next week. It could happen after the break. But it's there. Just have it marked out because it's on such a big hard time frame. Like, just have it marked out, put your alerts. So that's what I do. Like, if it's something so far, but I feel like the narrative is building up there. Like all this stuff is building up for to come down to that 24,800 level. I know, like all of this, like like return to zone type of deal. So it's like all of this is building up for it to come down. So I like shorts, but I don't know if that's gonna happen today or it's gonna happen like Monday or over the weekend, whatever. But right now, I mean, we play small time frames, right? So we're playing like, bro. But yeah, that's a good zone. I already see, like, I have that marked out too. That's a really good zone. Yeah, yeah, pretty much I have marked out. It's like an order block right here. So you have, because if you look at it on the 4 hour, we broke structure back upwards, right? We broke structure back upwards right here. So what price can do, like price can come all the way back down here and then go back up, you know? So that's how I look at it. Remember, like once you break structure, all this whole thing is demand. Damn, bro, the shorts look nice. I feel like if like Nasdaq goes down, go shoots up. Oh yeah, so nice. It's a good. Yeah, it could. I mean, sometimes like these fair value gaps hold, bro. Sometimes like it'll tap into this fair value gap and it'll just pop up. Right? It just depends. Because obviously there's a lot of buyers here. I mean, where's VWAP? That's my question. We love VWAP down there. Holy shit, we did. Where's the New York? Let me anchor the New York VWAP. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. See, like I want to short into this VWAP, bro. Oh, Ibala, have you been using VWAP at all or no? I'm a no, I'm gonna put you on. I'm gonna put you on like the how you use the VWAP. Um, it helps. It helps with the. It actually really helpful. Like you wanna like like for instance, like if you, yeah, I'm giving out sauce on stream, huh? So for instance, like if I wanted to long here last night, whatever. So as soon as it came down under VWAP and it reclaimed, and we broke structure, I would long it from the VWAP. Okay, so I use VWAP as like, okay, like, and if it flipped, if it did the other thing, I would have done the other thing. Like if it's the other way, same thing. It goes up, pops down, and then VWAP, it holds, VWAP holds it under. Then it's, you see, it works all. So like, if it's a notable zone, right? So you look at if this like a notable zone. Like, all right, there's demand there. All right, cool. What do I do after the demand? Let me see. Like, whatever. Like, there's demand right here. Like right here. There's some demand. Like right here. This whole thing is demand. Okay. It never came back for it. Came down, and you had your market structure shift. Okay. And then boom, and it reclaimed VWAP. So that's another confluence, right? So like for instance, right? Like if you got the New York VWAP, see, we just lost the New York VWAP. So you could have shorted this as soon as we lost VWAP right here. You could have technically shorted this, right? But whatever, like that's like the New York VWAP. I this is the daily VWAP I use. I don't really use the session VWAP as much. So if, like for instance, look, bro. Okay, So you could look at it like this. So you see demand right here, right? Right? There's demand. This is probably like a 5 minute order block. I don't know. Oh yeah, it is a 5 minute order block. See, right? So you see demand here. Let's just say, and you see the VWAP. Oh, look at that. Told you the short was looking nice, bro. Yeah. Um. Anyways, so you're looking at this, and if price is gonna come like this, whatever, and then it loses VWAP and then it reclaims VWAP, you can long it from that VWAP like this. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go over it and stuff like on our Discord and stuff slowly. But yeah. Oh, I gotta send you the link to the Discord. Damn. Rohel, are you gonna buy from here or what? Yeah. Damn, bro. I could have could have scalped this, bro, for $200. I could have easily. Personally, I would like this liquidity to get taken out. Come back to view up. Yeah, you a scalper. That's what I'm saying. Like these levels, like if I scalp, like I see these levels I draw out, I would just scalp these levels. Yeah. So like I'll short this, a little bit long that. 510, 510, 510. Oh, like right at New York. That basically right at view up. New York view up. So I would short. I mean, I like the shorts in general, but no, I'm on 1 minute. I know. I see it. I see it. Cause you have this right here. You have uh yo, I think we broke structure down, bro. Hey, yo, hold on. Did it come down? Okay, so you got this, you got this, and then you got this, and then you got. So there has been a break of structure here. You lose. I mean, but please do. But I would watch out. Like this V-shaped return right here. I mean, when you see like a V-shaped return, boom, 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 buying like this, and sometimes it does. That's the push down right there. Push down. I want to take it to. Should I? I still like this level. I agree. I agree. I like. I want this zone. I like this zone, but no, I didn't. Damn. Thank God I'm not playing Puka. Yeah, so it's bouncing pretty nicely here. Uh, Maybe we go back up. I think because which one? 385. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's kind of where I would like to long it, but sometimes you see this like this. It's a, it's hold this fair value gap is holding, so you could also long that too. It's getting a good reaction off of that. So yeah, bro. 42s. I yeah. Well, this is not bad. Came down and it did it break structure back up? You got this. Mm. Yeah, this is like I think this is 50% of this move, right? Or am I tripping? Yeah, I came like exact close to 50% of this move. Yeah. Yeah. So like this, you're talking about this trend line right here. Oh, you're talking about you're talking about this right here. Yeah, so it's gonna get taken out. So the curve means when you have a curve like this, it always gets taken out. So I mean, that's I mean you can still it's not bad, you know. It's showing conviction. It's going up, but time is it? 9:30. Yeah, bro, this 9:30 reversal is so real. Look at that. The 9:30 reversal is real, bro. You get impatient. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this 2 hour order block right here is holding. And you got this is the middle demand, this is the extreme demand of this range, which is holding. So um let's see something. Yeah, it is holding. What do you mean? Yeah, bro. Mm-hmm. So there is resistance here. What the? I There's resistance here. That's the only thing. But the fair value gap is holding, right? So technically yes, technically yes, but but it's showing a lot of buying, a lot of action. Uh, it can pop up or pop down. I don't know. It's like this is it's at a range supply for me. So this is like a range supply popped out of the range. Um, well, we can easily go up too, but it's like staying above VWAP, so it does. The long looks good, man. But I don't know. I honestly don't know right now. This is like a interesting zone. Interesting, very interesting zone right now. Very interesting zone. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That technically, I want I want this level, the lower demand, but it's holding, right? If it's holding, it's holding. Yeah, buyers are heavy in this. We'll see. It's just because you're above VWAP, then you reclaim VWAP. So it's just right now it's just a range. So it's like range within a range. So I just hit 50%. So this is in and of itself is a range, the 3 minute range. And there's obviously demand below. Um, yeah, you can keep buying this if you want, but yeah, you can at least take it to 568. I'm trying to see if we have a front run of this. Yeah, we did have a front run of that. So. Yeah, it's a range. It's just ranging. Um, I'm trying to see something. Come down to. Do we have something here? That's why I like taking the trades in the early morning, and it's just it's good. I haven't really taken anything yet, so I'm trying to see. I was golden. Gold is gold pushing up. Oh no, it's resisting. Gold is resisting. How's it? What's it? Oh, probably blown accounts. I don't know. Like where are you? Like, what do you? I'm. You're too quiet. Like, are you buying, selling? What are you doing? We need to know. What are you scalping? I don't even know. $10, $15. The scalper. Don't they have like? Do they have like rules where you can? We have to. Oh, let me send it. Daddy, I forgot to post it in the Discord. Why don't you? Yeah, I got you. It's this one. Let me see. Let me share this. Damn, the shorts are looking good, huh? Send it to you. The shorts. No, no, I'm not shorting this right now. Yeah. So you had a yeah, we had a breaker structure here, and then we have some resistance here, but we are playing a range. So like, ooh, nice, nice push down, boys. Very nice push down. I would take three contracts here. Shorts are paying. Shorts are paying. It tricked you to do what? No, shorts are good. Uh, you could. You could get it. Great momentum. I like price. I mean, to go back up here at least 5, 6, 7. I want to. I'm gonna. Oh, should have taken the short that I wanted to take. It's okay. Yeah, I take a bounce zone. Mm, middle of the range. What is it? 950. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See, like this is see, whatever this range is. This is like the it's like the discount disc. Wait for like a retracement. Yeah. Let's see something. This is let's just do it. Nah, I'm not anything right now. Trust this. Don't, don't trust price action, bro. It does what it does, bro. Yeah, look at that rejection. Look at that rejection, bro. Yeah, bro. Fudger, Fudger is key, bro. 9. Yeah, see a push down. I want to. I want to see 25 410, or at least I want to see 25. What is this right here? Yeah. What if it's just holes, you know? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. And fuck this price action, bro. Wallah, I don't like this price action at all. Fucking me. It's just it's fucking nasty. It's just Friday, bro. It's ranging. It's okay. Watch it just pop straight up. Okay. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. I know, man. I was like, where's Watch It, man? That's good, bro. You don't have like a Same. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hold on. I'm trying to get into a trade. 1 second. 1 second, buddy. Shorts. Did give away. That's the problem, man. No. Let me see. Yeah, gold is pushing. What's up? Um, a bottom of this range. Okay, so your target should be like 380, 389. Your next resistance is like 387, 387. That area. You're right there. I mean, this thing can keep going up, but if you want to be a little risky, you can do it at 390. Did give away. All right. Okay. 10 o'clock. Let me see. Is he speaking today? Oh. Damn, you can target like this buy side like 2507. Not bad buy side. You like Schwartz? Why? Just hit demand. Look at what? Hey, that's good. I'm trying to do the same. Not gonna lie. Yeah. So this, yeah, it took it. It took it. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Hold on. You have, I haven't taken anything. Yeah, just what? I'm watching price. Okay, so see this is S&P. I mean, yeah, I would like the longs here, bro. If I break this, yeah, I like the longs here, bro. Yeah. Yeah, see, I like the longs here. You can put your stop loss at at like at the low of this, and I like it. Base hits. Um, as much as base hits, I like the longs here. So I like a rotation back up to the pretty much, at least you could take the first payout here at 554. You could take some off here. But yeah, I'm out of that. I took the long and I scalped that one. So okay, in theory, we broke structure up here. Okay, we deviated the range. If we see something like a retracement here, then you can long it here. You know, but it not it might not even give you that. Damn, I called that long. Nice. You're welcome. Yeah, there's some supply here. Like you're gonna reject here, but overall thing, like yeah, even if you reject here, yeah, it can, it can. Like this zone can reject easily. Why can't it? See, look at that. Oh, this is. What's going on? Is it? It's yeah, it's Project X. Yeah. Oh, they're taking it off. So I want a retracement back down. Go up maybe. There is demand here now. I don't know if I trust the 30 second, but whatever. Um, this is such. It's just you can just play the range, bro. Honestly, this is like. Remember I said like you short here. I said this earlier in the stream. You long here. You want me to doodle again? So like you short here in these areas, because this is the range, okay? And these are this right here is the discount, and this is the premium, okay? So everything is down here. From here you do up. So rotations. These are the rotations. Let me see. Yeah, and this is the area you avoid, unless you're Rohel. I avoid the middle of the range because it's manipulation, right? So it manipulates a lot. Like for instance, let me show you. If you see price like shot down, shot up, and then shot back down, right? So this right here, this zone right here is manipulation zone, which is like the middle of the range. So if you pull like a volume profile, right? Um, whatever, you this leg right here. What do you mean? You went down? Bro. Yeah, I think with prop firms, it's like scalping is the way to go. Like, I mean, I see here this guy down, and then he just up. Next thing you know, he's up like $2,000. You know, you rather trade options or something? Yeah, option people don't like prop firms. Yeah, they like initially I was too. I was like, what the hell is this? You gotta trade your own money. But then it's like once I got my first payout, I was like, it changed everything. I think the name of the game is patience. You're gonna be up one day, you're gonna be down one day. It's just a matter of time not blowing up your account. You know, um, that's that's the thing. So yeah, target hit. Damn, that was my target. I'm not gonna lie. Remember, I said it was my target. So next target is. Let me see. What's our next target? Um, see, these are yeah. Like next target is 567. I guess. I don't know. Yeah, 567, boys. That's next target. Mm. 567. But we can see a good rejection here. Did you say like reversal in what sense? Mm-hmm. Hmm. I'll wait for 506 I would wait. Yeah. 507. We also have 507. To the T. Oh, I like cars. I guess you can say I like cars. I like cars. Mm-hmm. Um, like the longs. What is the AMD? Oh, accumulation mitigation. Yeah, I like I like the longs. Santa baby coming down the chimney tonight. I've seen that. What's wrong? What's up? What's that last nigga? Yeah, we going up. We on the 6-7. We're going up. Yeah, I'm very sure. Yeah, I am very sure. Yeah, I just I like 6-7, 5-5, 6-6, 6-6, 6-7, whatever. So yeah, I like that. 6-7. I'm just telling you. Yeah, I'm going up. I'm confident. Yo, yes, this guy has some balls. Good. Go. Yeah. Yeah, it is. I am. I am. Oh, it inverse. It swept liquidity inverse. Um, explicit. Very very explicit. Yeah, bro, we couldn't. So, Rohit, what are we doing? Shorting or longing? What are we doing, bro? Alhamdulillah. Fajr. It should, man. It should. Let's go. I don't even know. I win rate. Let me see. It's like a little bit below 50%. Cause I go for like higher RR, so it does that. So I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry. 'It's 2 enough, 2 plus. Yeah, cause it's my trades are higher RR, right? So yeah, yeah, that it is. I want 6-7, man. Give me 6-7, man. Mm. How the fuck is it coming back down? Oh god. Why is it done? It's not done. I said 6-7, bro. I'm going. You're not the only one with levels, you know? I guess resistance. Okay. Using bookmaker is like, then everyone would be millionaires. Everyone would be millionaires if they get it right. If you think about it. Book, book. But I see it. There is definitely resistance here. Oh, let's get to 70 first. You know? I mean, come on, man. Oh, damn, bro. What the fuck? It's always right. Holy shit. hell the trendy guy? I didn't get that close. I said that pissed me the fuck off. It got so fucking close. Damn. Let's fucking go. Look at that. Let's fucking go. Yeah. I know, but I need still 6-7. Still 6-7, baby. Come on. No, I mean I'm out of the trade. Like I needed that, and that was the what time is it? 10:37. Mm, if it doesn't six, sorry, 6-7. Yeah, 6-7, 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. That's what we want. Yeah, but then again, hold on. I took it out at this high, so I mean, I'm only bro. I'm not gonna lie. It did wreck me a little bit. I'm down 289 for the day, but I'm trying to shit 289. Bro, yesterday, like I noticed, it took me out earlier, so I was like $250 away from passing. Now I'm down 280, so now I'm like 550 down from like yeah, like from passing the combines. Remember I was trying to pass them, so yeah, that's crazy. We all do, bro. We all do. Bro, first target. Okay, right here. This is the first target right here. Right here. All right, that's the first target right here. But I mean, we can go down first and then hit that. I don't know. You know, so This target being hit. First target hit. Let's fucking go. Let's freaking go. What the? What the heck? You think so? Two. Um, 6 7. Like this, I still like 6 7. Um, but could be like a double. We could hit like a double top here. I don't know. This looks scary, bro. This could be like those double tops, and she just don't work out. You know. Yeah, price action is Friday. This is 10:44. Um, what is this? Tap one, tap two, tap three type deal, or what? Maybe we come back down now. Distribution model is done. Maybe we just come down now. Mm. A lot of resistance here in this area, so. There's like a little bit of gap here. There it is, huh? Sure was nice. You got, I think, see, like one, two, three. Um, so that looks like a distribution model to me, but I could be mistaken. It means it could come down a lot lower. So job of this guy, this guy, this guy is to take out this guy. 65. It hit perfectly to the T, and it's coming back down. Yeah, this is like think about this, like bro, like if you look at it on the 5 minute, like such horrible price action, you know? Like look at this. Look what you're dealing with here. Like this is just chop. Maybe like if you don't know how to play ranges, maybe stay out, I guess, because next zone is here, which is what is that? 2496 is like the next zone, but yeah. Let's see what happens. Yeah, look at that distribution model holding, man. I think the job of this distribution is to what is this, one, two, three. But if it fails to take this guy out, just probably going back up. What is this? It's 1048. So we can get like a reversal. You said a lot of things. You said shorts where? Here? Yeah, he did say 6-0. 6-0. Yeah, he said there's a lot on the book map. I my target, like I took it out here. Remember the first target was hit. So I'm not in that long. Okay. Interesting. Inversing. This could keep going down. It's gonna be a distribution model. Yeah, like watch this zone. Watch it. If this holds, this zone holds, then maybe you can long it. The way it came down, I don't like it. Don't like it. Hmm. Hmm. 518, 518. What time frame? Yeah, I mean, there's a gap there. But this doesn't look good right here. The inverse for a long, right? But I don't know. Sometimes, I mean, it shoots right through. So you don't know what the hell's going on half this time. This is just a range, range. That's all it is. So we had a double deviation of the range. So we had one, two. Price came up. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah. still like the longs here. I'm not going to lie. 6-7, boy. Yeah, I do like the longs here. I'm not gonna lie. I like the longs here. I'm gonna take it up to this. There it is. I'm in. I'm targeting 5, 6, 7. That's what I'm targeting again. Because let me tell you why I still like this long. Let me show you. Because remember market structure. We broke structure here. Okay, this is a break of structure. Okay, so this whole thing becomes demand. So if this guy, remember what I say. If this guy goes, okay, this guy goes, this guy's next. If that guy goes, who's next? That guy's next. And then so on and so forth. So let's see what happens. So this pretty much turned bullish. Flip this. Yeah. This is just put your stop loss here and target this high. But I mean, you know, manage risk. Don't put too much size on. Manage your risk. A lot of lines. Because everybody's longing, so it needed to induce, it needed to manipulate, it needed to do all of that, you know. But I mean, hey, could be wrong. I think my entry was VWAP. Yeah. Well, kind of took me out. Yeah, yeah, it took me out on and break even. So, uh, why don't we try again? Why don't we try again? Yeah. What do you mean? What did I do? Well, I did it. I I just got. It's logic, bro. Why? That's what I'm saying. It's a cheap long. It's a very cheap long. Yeah, VWAP. 1 pound fish. Bro, what happened to that song? That's twin, bro. That's twin. For real. That's twin, bro. 1 pound fish. Very, very. I. Okay, hold on. Let me see something. Wait, before I get into, I need to see this thing move. Yeah. See, the thing is, yeah, like I don't know. I don't know if I like this long anymore. Yeah, I didn't take it. It was I didn't get confirmation. Okay. See, like because you got one, two, three distribution model here. Um, inverse. Like I think it's like a 5 minute inverse right here. So it's not. Lungs aren't looking too pretty right now. Not too pretty. This is just chopping everybody up though. Like this is like, oh my god. Like it. NQ was like, yo, this Friday, this is what we gonna do. We're gonna chop this motherfucker up. That's what we're gonna do. It, longs, shorts, like nothing looks good. All right, so actually, yeah, because I think this is the SFP right here. It is an SFP on the 5 minute. Okay. SFP, SFP again. So it's just, it's like, if you look at it, like this in and of itself is another range, you know? So, God, how are people trading this price action? I just want to know. Yeah, I like the longs here. I'm longing this. I do. I'm longing this. I am longing this, buddy. 11 o'clock. Yeah, buddy. Came into demand, you know? The whole thing is demand, so range low right here. I'm longing this. This is a long, boys. Put a stop loss right here. And just take it at least to 6, 7. Bro, Rohel, what do you mean? I mean, I no, bro, bro, bro. Everything that happens, Rohel calls it. He's like, I'm long, I'm short. He did, he did, he did, he did. Yeah, Loki, he did say some shit like that. Yes, we are all in along. It's moving so quick. Like you have to like, I'm at break even now. So like this is my entry. I'm at break even, pretty much. VWAP held. So this is a break even trade, essentially for me. This is a break even trade. Um, Again, I've been in this long, fam. I told you this is the demand zone right here. It's a discount of the range, and I told you 6-7, 6-7. I'm like, I gave you my level. It's going to 6-7. I mean, now you're like, now you're kind of in the premium. Like this is now you're kind of like in the premium of this range, bro. Not gonna lie. So I mean, you could. I mean, right now, like it's risky. I'm at break even, so it's a free trade for me. Like I'm not, you know. So it's just for me. It's just like okay, let's go. Let's go. The thing is, the reason why I like this long set, there's a lot of things here, right? Um, the distribution failed. So this distribution's job was to take out this guy, and demand held. It couldn't. So this scratch. So it looks like a good long, but hey, anything can happen. Look at that. Anything can happen, right? So it can retest the supply, whatever it is, and go back down. Oh, fuck you. 6-7. Okay, that's all right, big dog. I'll see you. Valja, are you in this? Yeah. Target is 6-7. So just like that's like even if it like comes down a little bit, don't let it fake you out. But don't go too heavy for your blowing. You know, have a stop loss. Just in case every trade can go sideways. What time is it? Is it? We're past 11. When you come down to Houston in January, why? It's been affect. It's been affecting you a lot. Yeah, it's just yeah, the hookah thing in Houston is like nothing to do, bro. It's just so ass here. That's the only thing. Um, but like like there's no. I'm pretty sure in Dallas, like there's no like nature. Like bro, you can't like hike. You can't do this. It's just like you have to drive everywhere. It's not walkable. Houston just in general is just like no zoning laws too. So yeah. So this is pretty much healthy for like an uptrend. Um, Essentially, what it is that you have like you gap like you shoot up and then you range and then you do continuation. Like you know what I'm saying? Instead of just keep going up, you pull back, you range, you build positions, and then you go up. So this is like healthy for an uptrend, essentially. The whole range thing for price to keep going up, essentially. Just patience. Let it play out. Yeah. 530. 530 area. Oh, there's like a fair value gap there. That's what I was saying. Everybody and their mom's in a fair value gap, bro. I mean, essentially, it's just fair value gap. Like they're just gaps. Like the price move up fast or move down fast, or like low volume nodes. I think where there's low volume, so price like runs through those pretty quickly. I know that their point of control is here for this. I know this. Yeah, like, oh yeah, that's the point of control right there. That's where the volume is. If we get a push down or up, this is where you'll see it essentially. Oh, are banks institutions closed today? People went on holidays today or no? That could be another reason why this thing is doing this. You know, so just have to see. Patience is key. See, like I hold my trades for a long time. But I need the move to play out. You're fine. What were you saying? Uh huh. Uh huh. They trade live. They trade like own account. That's why we made the Discord so put them on. You know. I mean, the thing is, like, okay, there's certain things that are like unrealistic. Like, for instance, like consistency rule, right? Like that's like, bro, like that's like you're like setting up the trader to fail, essentially. You know, when you have something like, oh, like, oh, you need a consistency rule of this percentage or that percentage. Because like traders, it's not gonna be consistent. Like you might have like a really good day that can like ride you can ride for like the next month or so, right? Um, like in a live account in a live environment versus a problem like, oh, you made too much, like we're gonna punish you. That doesn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? Like you're not gonna make the same amount every single day. It's like you find the right opportunities and you go for the kill. That's how it's supposed to be, essentially. Shorty contracts fun. I need to make some content after this, like for the last three trades that I took, like for the last 3 days, like the recap. Like you see how I waited all day to take a trade. Like not all day, but like I had to get comfortable with my position and then I took the trade. If that makes sense. This is straight up market structure, you know. So the way this works is essentially you have um, you have this right here. You have it broke structure here. Okay, came down. Remember, I told you if this guy goes, let me pull this out. Then this guy goes. And if that guy goes, then that's the target coming for that, essentially. You know, so that's pretty much how it works. No, no, no. It's on Discord. Did I send you the link for the Discord? Okay, let's go. We're done. TP hit, baby. Let's go. Another day, another dub. All caught on live stream. You took that long? Oh, you're watching gold. Yeah, yeah, you're good. Just leave it. Um, I'll get on a call with you after this. Let me end the stream. All right, guys. So we're done with the stream. Yeah. Well, join our Discord to take more trades like this and understand the market. Let me see. Let me stop the